guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to do the first tutorial for Java language. So, let me tell you what Java is. Java is a programming language in which you can make games, artificial intelligence, programs. Programs is obvious, but you can make almost everything. In my opinion, you can make almost everything, almost not everything, almost everything in Java. So Java is a pretty good language. It's pretty hard also, but still, if we if we work hard, then we can learn this difficult language. But still, let's get to the point. So first, I'll tell you how to install Java. Simple, go to Google Chrome and then download Java. Then download the Java installer. Then you can install the Java. After that, you install BlueJ. You download BlueJ from Google Chrome. Then you install BlueJ. Okay. So BlueJ is what? It is simple. It is a platform to write Java programs, and it is a platform for compiling the Java programs also. It is, and BlueJ is a very good platform. It is the best platform in my opinion. So you should install it. And after you open the BlueJ for the first time, you may see a pop-up for creating a new project. Okay, I don't remember. I did it 3 years ago, so I don't remember much. But it is like this only. You get a prompt to make a new project, I think. So what is a project? You can store your programs in a project, I think. According to me, this is the simple definition for beginners. You can store your programs in that project. Okay. So I've already made a new project. Let me tell you how it is. New project. Then here you tell the name of the project and click on OK. I'll just cancel it because I already created. Then it comes like this. Here's a README file that is already in the project by default. So it is not needed, but still, if you are making a very big program like Minecraft is also made in Java. So if you are making something like that, a very big program with millions of codes, then you may edit this README file and make some edits to it. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is new class. Click on it. So what is a class? Simply a class is a blueprint to write Java programs. That is also a very good definition for beginners. So we will write the class name as code, simple code. Okay. Then here it is. Our class is made. Double click on it. Then this is a sample program. It is here by default, so we don't need this. Just delete it. Then you enter a command. It is not necessary, but still, if you are making Minecraft or something with a million codes of lines of code in it, then you may add a command. So I'll just write program. Okay. Then the first thing we need to write. This is not the first thing. This is not needed actually. So this is not the first thing. The first thing we need to write is in making a simple program, not a complex program. In the simple program, the first thing to write is the class name, code. Okay, so we specify the class name. It is code. Then we open the body of code. Okay, class. So the curly bracket is used to open a body. Then inside the block, inside this body of class, we write the main method. So main method is this real big line, public static void main. Then we write in bracket string args. Then we write two box bracket. What do we say? Square brackets. Okay, done. So this is this whole line is known as main method. Okay, so this is needed. This is important. The class name is also important. So next we thing we need to do is open the body for main method. So after that, what we do? Simple. We write the statement to print. So it's not like Python. In Python you just write print. In Java this you write this big line system.out.println, then it displays your message, then it prints in the command window when we execute the program. Then we need to write the message in the curly brackets. It displays as it is. It does not make any corrections. It does not show any errors related to this thing. Here what we will write, I will never get a fast PC. This is true also. Then this thing is semicolon. After writing any Java statement, you should close it with semicolon. After this opening the main method. After opening the main method, if you write any Java statement, you close this Java statement with the semicolon. Then what we do? Simple. We close the body of main method. We close the body of class. Then the thing to do is click on compile. In compile, compile simply saves the program and checks if there is any correction to do, if there is any error. So I clicked on compile. Task compiled, no syntax errors. So this is good. No syntax error came. Wait, what happened? Hang not, but open. It froze for a moment. No problem. Then we go how to execute the program. Right click on the program, then you click on void main string args, then click on OK. Then here it is. This is the terminal window, and I told you this will print the message. It printed the message as it is. I will never get a fast PC. Okay, it's simple. Then this is the program for printing a statement. The second program we will write is should we write a second program? No. Okay, so for the first tutorial, this is enough. So guys, I think this is much for this tutorial. The next tutorial will be for creating a variable and printing the value of the variable, and also the taking the input from the user as a variable. Okay, so for today this is over. The tutorial is over. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. And for today, thanks. Bye bye.